Yesterday, we built guardrails for growth. Today, we're talking about the people who drive the road every single day. Welcome back to the rest stop. This one's for the volunteers, the heartbeat of every fine arts program, the ones who make the impossible somehow happen week after week. But today, we're going to talk about the other side of that heartbeat. What happens when it starts to race too fast for too long? Because passion is a fire, but even the brightest flame needs oxygen and space to breathe. And you know the feeling well. One event ends, and before you've even caught your breath, another one starts. You're carrying costumes, counting tickets, managing signups, balancing budgets, and answering texts while you're supposed to be at dinner with your family. And you tell yourself, it's just for now. But somehow, just for now, becomes the new normal. And before long, the thing you used to love starts to feel heavy. And that's burnout. When your why gets buried under your what. But here's the truth. Burnout doesn't mean you're weak. It means you've been too strong for too long without rest. And the rebuild that we're doing here, it's not just for the culture around you, it's for the one inside of you too. Here's your challenge for today. Choose one thing this week to stop owning alone. That's it. Look around your team, your booster board, your classroom, and delegate something, even if it's small. Ask for help, or better yet, invite someone new to join you. Because leadership isn't about carrying more, it's about carrying smarter. And when you make space for others to contribute, you don't just lighten your load, you build belonging. You turn tasks into connection, and connection is what keeps people from quitting. Governance gave us the systems yesterday. Today, we're filling those systems with real, breathing humans who deserve rest as much as responsibility. I see the parents who are always the first to arrive and the last to leave. The ones who bring the energy no matter how tired they are. The ones who don't even remember the last time they sat in the audience and watched their own kid perform. You're not invisible. And you're not replaceable. But you are human, and humans need care. They need boundaries, laughter, and time off. You can't pour from an empty cup. And empty cups don't inspire anyone. So take your break. Sit down for one show. Say no when you need to. You've earned that right. The rebuild isn't asking you to do more, it's asking you to do it healthier. Here's something I've learned over the years. Healthy programs are powered by shared energy, not individual endurance. A strong volunteer culture isn't built on heroes, it's built on teams. And when we normalize sustainability, we stop celebrating burnout as dedication. That's what changes everything. Because we can't expect our kids to believe in balance if all they ever see from us is exhaustion disguised as commitment. You're not setting an example by running on empty. You're setting a warning. So let's rewrite that story. This week, fuel your fire by sharing it. Invite, include, delegate, and trust. Your culture will get stronger, and your spark will last much longer. So as you roll into the end of this week, carry this thought. If you want your fire to last, you have to stop standing in the flame alone. You've given so much. Now it's time to give yourself some grace. And tomorrow, we wrap week 2 with heart, the strength beneath the structure. A reflection on why all this work matters and how to keep believing when the results feel far away. But today, let's focus on fueling what already makes this community powerful. And that's you. Because we're rebuilding culture, one morning, one act of balance, and one rest stop at a time.